gangs, jail. I was there. Second chances, I got one. Went to law school, became a lawyer, and then a judge. Now, I get to give second chances. In my courtroom, the disputes are real, the cases are real. It's time for hard decisions and tough love. Justice that makes a difference. That's what I'm about.
Plaintiff Corey Ford says he and the defendant are like brothers, and they've shared everything, including women. Corey claims they are in a band together, and they're supposed to split all the expenses, but his bandmate has yet to pay a dime. Defendant Patrick Gray says Corey has put him through 7 years of torture. Patrick claims Corey is constantly playing pranks on him. And one time, he put Patrick's new job in jeopardy by writing obscenities on his forehead in permanent marker while he was passed out. Patrick's countersuing for mental anguish.
Start with you.
Your Honor, I've known Patrick Gray for about 7 years. It dates back to high school. One of the first stories.
Y'all were dating back in high school. Is that what you said?
No, sir.
What
No, Your
did you
Honor.
say?
I've known him for 7 years, and this whole story goes back to when we were in high school.
You did say something about dating, didn't you?
Now, the dating came later between me and him, so.
Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, we've always had a good friendship. In fact, it started, like I said, back in one of the first memories I have of Patrick and myself is back in detention hall. We're sitting around, and Patrick hatched this idea for me to distract the detention hall supervisor, and he would actually dump laxative into the teacher's coffee. He went ahead and actually did it. He went ahead and dumped it in, and the teacher got sick, and we found out later that she had a gastrointestinal problem to begin with. So she ended up being rushed to the hospital, and the detention hall was canceled. It was like this big thing in the school. Everyone knew about it, and that's how it all began.
What grade were you all in?
This would have been the 10th grade, Your Honor.
More of Judge Mathis in a moment.
May I just say it's a privilege and a pleasure to be in front of what I think is one of the great legal minds on television these days. Secondly,
not only is he a good singer, he's a good con man, too.
Secondly,
With a friend or family member who owes you money, has scammed you, or wronged you in some other way. If you're currently suing a family member or friend, or thinking about filing a lawsuit, give us a call with the details. Plaintiff Corey Ford is suing his bandmate, who accuses Corey of calling all of his ex-girlfriends after he breaks up with them.
All right, go ahead.
We've been busted for underage drinking together, and we've dated the same girls and everything, and, you know, through it all, we've been able to get through it and settle everything ourselves, but now that we've entered in this business relationship...
What business relationship is that?
We're in a band called Mad Hornet After Hour.
Called what?
Mad Hornet After Hour.
Okay. Where are you all based?
Out of Chicago. We play all the venues around here.
Okay. Man Hornet.
No, Mad Hornet, like angry.
Mad Hornet.
After Hour.
After Hour.
That's
all
correct.
right, go ahead.
I've been in the band for about 3 years, and in order to get the whole band off the ground, it takes a lot of money to invest in it, such as like CDs, merchandising, recording studio. And in that 3 years, we've accumulated several tabs, and it's always been agreed upon that it would be split between the 4 members of the band. To this date, Patrick's share is $1,278, which he's been negligent for pretty much 3 years, where he hasn't paid a nickel or dime. Everyone else is like around $100 or $200.
How did his get?
Well, he hasn't held the job. He's probably had like 3 or 4 jobs in this past year alone.
So
that is a bold-faced lie. I've had 6 jobs.
Your Honor, he's had 2 jobs this
I'm sorry, Your Honor. My work.
I thought you were a quiet type of fella.
Like the bass player in the band.
Yeah, I thought you might have been in the background playing the bass.
He's the singer. He's the loudest one in the band.
I see. You have whatever bills everyone had to pay for. Let me see them. Sir,
Sure.
What do you have to say to
Your Honor, first of all, may I just say it's a privilege and a pleasure to be in front of what I think is one of the great legal minds on television these days. Secondly,
not only is he a good singer, he's a good con man, too.
Secondly,
go ahead.
This man has put me through 7 years of torture of biblical proportions and mental anguish, and I will not pay him 1 red cent for the simple fact that he has done such things to me as wrote the words penis on my forehead while I was passed out in permanent marker. I'd like to submit Exhibit A.
Oh, it's on his forehead.
Your Honor, that's the least of his worries, because that same very night while he was passed out on his couch, his current girlfriend at the time was going around all the guys in the party lifting her blouse up, so...
I'm comfortable with that. What I'm not comfortable with is going to work the next day after I tried to scrub my head with a Brillo pad, okay, with my head all red and faint, you know, black marker still there. Another time when we used to be acting together.
Go to work?
Quiet,
You mean
hold
at the
on.
crack of noon when you got up so early?
That's beside the point, Corey. One time he broke my rib on stage while we were doing a Second City improv skit, and he took a flying leap off of a 3-foot, you know, like wooden barricade or something, and took an elbow drop onto my chest.
Hey, give
The
yourself
whole
credit, you're
crowd,
like
the whole
6 feet.
crowd could see me squint and be in complete pain. And then he did it again, and I had to go to the hospital, have X-rays done. I had a chest fracture. Then there was the time that he calls all of my ex-girlfriends after I'd broken up with them. For example, if you go on our website right now, somehow there's pictures of my ex-girlfriend dated for December 20th at his apartment.
He's telling his story. He's done that
That's
to me.
my point. Sir, why don't you tell me all the practical jokes you've played on him?
Well, there was one time that he called out of work because he was, you know, sick, and I was kind of upset with him over some girl issue, so I called his boss and told him that he was just hungover and, you know, that he really should have
Basically
been at
ratted
work.
me out to my own boss.
I called his parents one time when he broke into my house, my parents' house out in the suburbs, and threw a party in my parents' house while they were out of town.
You were there. You were
I
there.
wasn't really there. You
was
cannot
passed
consider
out.
that there.
We were supposed to have an
What
after
was
hours
not
party.
considered there?
I was passed out. And he sends this one. This is Zach right here. By the way, Zach, whatever he tells you, I'm quite sure the only reason Zach is here is because Corey has physically intimidated him for the last 3 years, such that he'll twist his arm or pants him or whatever he needs to do to
What do
get
you
Zach
mean
to
by
say what he says.
pantsing?
You know, pants him in front of people. You know, we're on stage playing
Pull
in the
his
band.
pants down?
Yeah. That's a frequent thing. You have to have your
That's
belt
never
tight in this
happened,
band.
sir.
Come on up.
That's never happened.
What you gonna tell me? State your name.
My name's Zach Drummond. No, I don't know why he would say that. Corey, we all have a good relationship. Like we are in a band together, and
Did he
we're,
pay
we're
his share?
no, oh, absolutely not.
Does he owe the amount that you?
Sir, Your Honor, I've had to front help Corey pay for his share while he's out like on online gambling sites, like betting on Ohio State, you know, to win.
He's lost
Where-
hundreds of dollars over the past few months betting on sporting events and
You
participating.
can't pay
I don't
his
see how that's
band
relevant.
Can't,
It's money that you
that's
could
the
be
reason
paying
you
me,
can't
right?
pay your band expenses. So tell me about the band expenses.
With reference to the band expenses, we've started making money in the past 2 years. But when we started off in the first year of the band, we made no money. At the time, it is true, I was in school, okay? And I was trying to go ahead and focus on school, so I didn't have money to pay the band expenses. So they were able to pay more money than I was at the time. So I had sort of a running tab. Then at some point, Corey and I got in a big fight at a bar. The band broke up for 6 months. Now, in that time, they tried fruitlessly to continue on with the band. They played some gigs and things of the like.
Couldn't go on without
They
you.
couldn't go on without me. And they came back crawling on their hands and knees, kissing my feet
Say,
to
"We
try and
need you."
beg me to come back and lead their band. And
That
of
is not
course,
true.
ultimately, we buried the hatchet and we put things behind us. And I just assumed.
And you came back in the band and agreed to take on your former debt.
That is not true.
Yes,
I
it
assume
is.
that it's like when a country is taken over by a new government, they get rid of the debts of the former government.
That's not true. No way. Zach can attest to
Country is
that.
taken over by a foreign. Let's move on.
no, I also-
Anyhow, sir,
I have a signed statement here by the other band member that could not be here.
let me see that, please.
I'd like to see that too,
Here's others too.
if it pleases the court, Your Honor.
Yeah, it pleases me. Pleases me enough to give a judgment.
The verdict when we return. Defendant Patrick Gray is being sued by his bandmate, who he claims is known for calling Patrick's ex-girlfriends after he breaks up with them.
I don't know how pleased you're gonna be. With regard to your counterclaim for mental anguish, sir, sounds like you all have a history of practical jokes, and so I'm gonna dismiss your counterclaim. With regard to their lawsuit or his lawsuit against you for the loans, you admit that you owed them, but you assumed. You didn't say they told you. You say you assumed when you came back to the band your debt was wiped out. Obviously, your assumption was wrong, and that's why they're suing you. So that's why I must grant him $1,278 for his complaint because you assumed you didn't have to pay, but your assumption makes have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I thought Corey would win his case if Zach should testify. But then I spent so many hours thinking about the pain he's put me through, and I prepared this testimony now for you, and I won't pay $1,200. I don't know it anymore. I'm afraid you're just quite out of luck. You wrote on my face, and then you broke my rib on stage, and then you call all my ex-girlfriends to get paid, and I'm not guilty. I may be a little crazed, and I may have my desperate ways, but that don't mean I have to pay. Everybody, I'm not guilty. I'm not guilty. And you know what? I'm quitting the band, too.
You know what? He's going to be singing a different tune by the end of the day. He'll be crawling back to us, want to be back.
You guys will crawl back to me.
We got it going on. We're the three-piece. He needs us.
I'm Rob Thomas. You're Matchbox 20.
Oh, yeah. What, your little slutty smoking girlfriend?